Hey, it's Nick Stat with The Verge, and we're here checking out the Asus Mothership. Now, it's best described as a portable gaming desktop. Now, what exactly does that mean? Well, it means that you can take this top cover here and detach it entirely as a portable wireless keyboard. So with the keyboard detached, it basically becomes a desktop machine. Now, you've got a 17-inch display, it's a 144 hertz, and then a 3 millisecond response rate. So it's up there with the best gaming monitors you can buy. It's not 4K, and it's not a touchscreen. But the things that matter to gamers are going to be the 144 hertz and the 3 milliseconds, and it's got those. The Mothership is essentially a desktop. It's got all desktop components, and it can be played like a desktop. So you can, of course, use this nifty wireless keyboard. It's got a cool RGB setup going on here. It's got a built-in touchpad. But you don't need to use this keyboard. You can use your own gaming keyboard, and obviously you can bring your own mouse to use. All the components are in the back, and it's all encased in aluminum, and that includes the back of the keyboard cover as well. It's not going to be cheap. It'll probably run quite a few $1,000s more than your standard gaming laptop. We don't know exactly how much it'll cost, but it's designed to be a niche product, and Asus is designing the Mothership as kind of the top of the top. It's really the best it has to offer in this experimental portable desktop package. The whole device really just is very experimental looking, and it's really cool, honestly. I mean, I've never seen anything like this. I don't know if I personally would spend many thousands of dollars on a device like this, but I appreciate what Asus is doing here, and it's really novel. We might see this kind of hybrid device more in the future, especially now that NVIDIA is making its mobile RTX graphics more widely available. You can get that powerful desktop performance in a smaller package. It might not look like the Mothership, and it might not work like the Mothership, but this is really just kind of a proof of concept of what you could really do if you pushed everything to the limit. If you want